What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wisco Angling #fishing. We are under a bridge. We're gonna try and keep this spot kind of secure, low-key. Don't want to show too much, but we're under a bridge, hoping to catch crappie, walleye. Dawson was just here yesterday. He caught like a 14.5-inch crappie, slab crappie. So also we got stuff to do with catch and cook. So if we catch a couple nice fish, we're going to do a catch and cook. So stay tuned. Should be a fun one today. It's a nice cold morning here in Wisconsin. I think it's like 23, 24 degrees right now, but stay tuned. We're going to catch some fish today.
That's an eater.
Is it?
Damn close. Damn.
I mean, where we're fishing right now, they can't be in between 14 and 18. 14 and 18, you gotta let go. So that technically would be a keeper, but I think we need like a couple inches bigger.
Yeah.
Let him go. Yeah. Baby Walter.
Yeah, just a little big.
I think once
This feels decent, actually. It feels decent.
Oh, that's a nice walleye.
Freaking nice walleye. That's decent for sure.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. It looked way bigger when it was coming up, but that's like for here. That's perfect eater size.
Oh yeah.
Probably that 12.5, 13.
Jordan, you mind if we throw them in your buckets now?
I don't care.
If you want to go fill up that.
Do you want to? I got a.
We can use a stringer too if we like.
Either way, I don't care.
What do you guys want to do?
You're gonna put it in the bucket. Just fill it up with a little bit of water so it ain't slimy.
All right. Fill it up quick. Holy shite skis.
What the hell's going? Do I have to cast? Both of yours were casting out, huh?
Yeah.
It's coming way over here too. Oh, that's another keeper.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah.
either.
Another eater. Just toss them in the bucket.
Nice one?
Hooked up? Small one?
Oh, just a little baby.
Oh, what the hell? Why am I catching this?
Just a little
Hey,
tight.
walleye or walleye though, it's fun still. Just a little guy, little French fry.
Another little one, I think.
There's a fucking minnow right there.
Oh, it's crappie.
That's a, hey, that's a fat crappie though.
If you want to, we can keep it, but it looks like it might be good to go back in, but.
Normally, if they don't go back, their freaking mouth, inside their mouth, like puffs up like a big ball.
The one Dawson had, his eyes were just bulging. The one Dawson had.
This one, his eyes are popping a little.
Hooked up on another one. Ah, little one.
Well, that's what I've been catching, so.
Well, been here for like 20 minutes and caught like 8 fish.
I suck. I must just suck.
And it feels like the same as the other one. It's a tiny one. It's a little baby, just born yesterday.
I feel like that's the size of the other ones
It's like
keeping. I don't know. I wasn't the one that. Is that like the other ones that we have or no?
Pretty close. I mean, I have no doubt we're gonna get bigger ones at some point.
Right.
It's up to you. I don't know.
That's awesome.
It'd be nice if
That
we
was
could
like, I thought it was like
if we could get one
30
over
seconds I was in the water. Another one.
Yeah.
I need to cast out.
Another dinky.
Go.
Maybe.
Look at that one.
Oh my God, Dawson caught a tank.
Can't tell. He's a little small.
Casting out there.
Little small
Seems to
guy.
be that seems to be the way to go instead of.
Yeah, casting out.
They're not even tapping it though. They're just waiting.
They're waiting. They're
Yeah.
dragging it a little bit.
Yeah, all mine are just, yeah.
Well, shoot, I may need to call my. No, you just tossed over.
Oh shoot, my bad, my bad, my
No,
bad.
just wait. Never mind, we're good. That's weird.
No, because your pole was up and I
just got it.
better fish.
Stop catching crappie.
It's a nice crappie.
Yeah. I don't know, probably 11.5.
I got a. I don't know if you have a bumper. I got one. And that camel bag I gave you.
I don't know, I mean, worst comes to worst.
I mean, if he's dead, we gotta keep him. Otherwise, I mean, I prefer to let the crappies for some reason. They're so much more hard to flay.
It's starting to swell up. I don't know. The thing that I don't like about it is throw them back and then half hour later swell.
Right.
He might go, I don't know. And now all of a sudden got shoulders.
Oh, come off. He come off. Yeah. Found the new fishing spot right here. There is the train tracks. Just missed one right here. Huh? There's like a bunch of little ledges you can just sit on. Dude, I'm Jay chilling and there's no wind. Hey, if a train comes, it'll be a nice breeze of wind. I'm too hot.
No way! No way! No way!
Oh, never mind.
Dude, I thought your freaking rod twitching up.
I'm sitting there trying to hand the lighter to Dylan. He's sitting there just staring at the rod. Like.
On my way back for the second time. Ugh, missed two fish here. Drop it down right there. We're just letting it sink to the bottom, just a jig head and a minnow. About 40 foot deep here. Just letting it sink to the bottom. And then just kind of vertically jigging it. Like I said, crappie, walleye. It did slow down just a little bit, but I mean, we were here for like 15 minutes and we caught like 6 fish already. Got 2 crappie, 2 walleye so far. It's not giant, but
I thought it was bigger than it was.
well, the fishing kind of slowed down. Dawson's probably gonna start cooking up some fish here soon. Where's the bucket of fish? He got it? Or has he got the stringer? He got him on the stringer. Oh, they're right here. Didn't see him. Got a couple wallet. What do you do with the crappie?
Well, I didn't want to keep them, and they started kicking back to life, so we let them back.
And they swam away?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we got 2 walleye. A couple more would be nice. But Dawson's gonna start flaying up the fish. I'm gonna eat them damn things right here.
What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little guy. First fish in a while though.
Another inch and a half would be easy. Oh, there
Just
goes
add an inch onto them quick.
my thing.
Boom.
Smack the wall.
Yeah, there goes
I've done that a few times with this one.
there goes my thing.
I got no more white on this one pretty much.
I thought, eater?
No. That's an eater.
I mean, fuck.
That's an eater.
That's
He
an
hit
eater.
it hard, dude.
He did smack it. He smacked it.
I was sitting there, my line just started going to the side, and it was just pulling it down. It's a good little eater size.
I don't know. He's, oh yeah.
There's nothing.
I
No,
need,
that's like the
needs this dude's.
2019 year class, I bet you. For that size.
Yeah. Little one? Oh, that's an eat. It is.
Look at that hook though, with that shorter shank, it just barely comes through the top.
These are perfect. These are nice eaters for
where we're at.
For where we are.
For this spot.
I'm gonna let my pole dangle while I try and get that fire reignited.
You gonna try and get it going?
Yeah.
Yeah, you really should, honestly. That way we can warm up our hands. That way, because it's gonna be so hard to flay right now with my hands being cold.
That or start your Coleman. We'll stick our hands in the grease.
I don't know about that.
You should go walk down, get as much burp shit as you can over there.
Hey, just a little bit of heat on the hands ain't too bad. I'm gonna get this damn fire going.
That's gonna leave me for sure.
Eater?
Get up here.
Oh yeah.
An eater.
That's a perfect eater size.
Dude, I got
What is that now? 7 we got? 7?
Something like that. 2 on the stringer.
I got gloves. We should
We definitely got this fire rolling pretty good now. Oh yeah. I saw that. I saw that. It's not gonna tank.
Better fish too. Walleye.
Hey, another eater. Another eater. Dude, I saw your line. I saw your pull and it was just like this. It did one of these and then it went like this. It went like this slowly.
small rock. What's up? I'm out here killing people. No, I'm kidding. Flaying some Walters. She's little guys, but that's the slot here, so.
The catch part is done. The cook part is on. How many are you flaying up? 2 or 3? Flaying up 2 or 3 of them. So we'll each get a couple fillets. Couple of them. Get a bunch of breading on there.
Well, all like fall off from here because we don't have anything.
Got the fillets.
I'm just gonna cramp them all in there.
Is this the last one?
Got one little piece in there. My hands
Yes,
are
sir.
cold. It is cold. I think it's about.
It's like 30 degrees.
No,
in here.
it's
Or is it
27.
27? Yeah.
You bringing any more home or what?
Not big enough.
Anything we catch is big enough. They have to be under 40.
Another little one.
That's
Dude,
actually.
This is a good fish.
That's actually funny.
Right as he's talking about catching a decent fish.
Oh, it's a freaking monster. Bro.
That's a big crappie.
gonna try and
Can you
pull?
bring it up or no? You want me to grab the line?
Here, no, don't.
Wow, dude, hammered it.
You did.
That's like a, I don't know, 12
That's a
inches.
nice one.
I'm hoping it goes back. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to keep him.
Good. Yeah. A decent one though. Oh, these fillets are looking bomb right now. Okay, these are nice. These are gonna be nice and crispy. Oh yes, sir. Oh,
Pretty good, huh? Looks good.
it does look pretty,
Perfect color.
It does look pretty good. This is better than what you get at a fish fry at the bar.
It's hard to beat fresh walleye.
That's weird. Let them cool down a bit, huh?
Got some yummy nummies.
Fuck
Each take a fish one time.
Ice Chunkies outdoors.
yeah.
Cheers. 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 Cheers.
Babe. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go walleye right
That's
there,
so
brother.
good. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Turned out really good.
Flaky,
What else
buttery,
like
flaky
that?
crust.
Fresh caught an
All
hour
right.
ago. Less than an hour. Oh, good.
10 out of 10 walleye. enjoyed that video. That's gonna do it for this one. Got a new little addition to the family. This is Simba. Simba, say what's up to the crew. Say what's up. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I think we might go back there again soon and do like an ice fishing rod, challenging use ice fishing rods. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like the catch and cooks, comment down below and we'll do some more. We love doing them. Fish is awesome, obviously, so stay tuned, subscribe. We're at 350 subscribers right now, man. We are doing pretty good. Like I said, I want to try and get to 500 or something before Christmas hits, so hit that subscribe button down below. We much appreciate every single one of you guys, and have a good day. Keep fishing.